In this video, I will show you how to see what graphics card you have on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, I'm going to show you two different methods on how you can check what graphics card you have. This does also work if you're on Windows 10. To get started, the first way is from your desktop. If you come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, in here type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Once your settings window is opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto system. Once you're on the system section, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you should see an option which says about. Give that a click and this way you can find what graphics card you have. So for myself, I've actually got multiple GPUs. As you can see underneath graphics card, it says multiple GPUs installed. So this is good if you only have one GPU, but if you have more than one GPU, then there is another thing you can do to check which graphics card you have. So what you want to do is close this down. Come back down to the search box in your taskbar at the bottom, and in here you want to type device manager and then again open that up underneath best match. Now once your device manager loads through, what you want to do is look for display adapters just here and click the small arrow to the left hand side of display adapters. This is going to display all your graphics cards. So for myself, I'm currently on a laptop, so we've got the integrated Intel graphics here, but you can see I've also got a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, which is my most up-to-date graphics card which I use on my laptop. So that's how to see what graphics card you have on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.